Hi guys, Adam from Midwest Panel Builders, and we got something exciting to show you today. As you may have seen on Facebook and Instagram, we've been teasing the new panel for the Sling TSi, as well as in our last video that we did about our build that we're going to be doing. So we figured now would be the time to show you guys what we've been up to for the past few months. So we wanted to do something unique for this aircraft, and part of that was going to be a unique panel design, and we've teamed up with another company to make this happen. So what we've got here is our new backlighting system. Now this system will be available to customers from this point forward too. What this is a flat one-piece backlight, so there's no seams or anything between different sections of the panel. The panel itself is two pieces, two halves if you will. They're going to come together and make up, this whole thing. The panel is backlit using what's called electroluminescence, which is very different than what we've done up to now. Electroluminescence is low power and it's very soft lighting, so even at its maximum brightness, it's not too bright, it doesn't hurt your eyes or anything. But by doing it this way, it's allowed us to incorporate colors into our panel without having to go to great lengths to do anything with masking or anything like that. The top layer here is a polycarbonate, and it's printed on the reverse side. What this means essentially is that this is a very robust finish, very resistant to scratches. During the testing and demonstration of this, we've actually been able to take like screws to this, and you'll see a little bit of a scratch in the plastic, but the actual finish itself does not wear. Speaking of the finish, this is a matte finish like a lot of our Kohl panels. It doesn't have quite the same kind of metallic flake to it that the Kohl does, but it still looks very nice. Here is the throttle quadrant cover that we've done with this now. So because of this new process, we've been able to do something like this. In the past, in all of our backlit panels, throttle quadrant was just etched and that was it. Now we've got this cover plate that's going to go on. It's going to light that up at nighttime for you as well. So our old methods of doing the backlighting are still available. So we have the ones where we have the overlay pieces that go on top of the panel where the backlight is required, which we still like for a lot of situations, because what happens is, like this area here, for example, underneath the G3X display, these top labels get covered by the bezel of the display because it sticks out so far. So you don't really see this too much. Now in this particular one, how we combated that is just simply put the labels on the bottom of the switch and then put on or armed at the top to designate, on and off. However, with our old backlighting system, particularly again the one that overlays, that pulls those labels out a little bit, so the G3X display does not cover those. We also had, of course, the other method of doing the flush backlighting, but it wasn't seamless. It had, in the areas that there were backlight pieces, they would mount from behind, and so you would still have seams, but still looked pretty good. This is a more premium option considering all of the extra benefits that we get out of it. Again, the main ones being color and the fact that it is a seamless finish. So now we have kind of different stages of the backlighting available. All right, so let's go ahead and kill the lights here and see what this panel looks like lit up. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of our new panel system. And again, this is the Midwest Edition panel, so this is what's going to be going into our aircraft. If you want this for your project and you're just starting the process, then let us know and we'll be happy to help you out with this.